This is a short tutorial on how to insert videos in PowerPoint by A&M. Let's jump in. To start off, go to PowerPoint in your PC. It should look something like this. Choose blank presentation. You will see this. Go to Insert tab in the top left. You will see this, and to the top right you will see Media. When clicked on, you will see three options: Video, Audio and Screen Recording. Click on the video option. Two more options will appear: this device and online video. Click this device if you have video in your computer, or click online video if you have the link of the video. When you click on online video, you will see this tab. Paste the link in it. Don't forget to hit insert. It should automatically upload it in the slide. I hope you understood on how to insert a video in PowerPoint presentations. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for upcoming videos.